Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle a common problem faced by Angular developers. The issue at hand revolves around the usage of : in deep in Angular v18. Many developers have been puzzled by the absence of a deprecation node for : in deep in the latest documentation. Does this mean it's safe to use again, or should it still be phased out from legacy code? Let's dig deeper into this problem and unravel the mystery surrounding : in deep. In the solution provided, it becomes clear that while : in deep may not be officially deprecated, the Angular team strongly discourages its new usage. The feature remains available solely for backwards compatibility purposes. Interestingly, there aren't any alternatives to fulfill the basic use case of overriding inner styles. Initially marked for deprecation with the expectation of a browser feature to take its place, : in deep has now been undeprecated due to the absence of the proposed replacement. It's crucial to understand that using : in deep is akin to tapping into a private API, as styles and classes are typically not part of public API contracts. As a result, frameworks like Angular Material have shifted towards utilizing design tokens, enabling customization through a public API. In summary, despite the lack of a deprecation note, : in deep in Angular v18 is not recommended for new implementations. Its primary function of overriding styles remains unmatched by alternative solutions. Remember, while it may serve a purpose in legacy code, it's best to explore more sustainable styling options for future projects. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any Angular-related anecdotes you'd like to share. Keep coding and keep smiling.